Okay, here we've got a dim dip switch with a kill button on the top, and as you can see it fits on the handlebars. It's normally 7/8. This just unscrews like this, a bit more, and it just fits around the handlebar like that. But obviously it all falls apart when you do this. There's the kill button, so that connects that to the earth, so that is the connection there for the kill button, and that there is the dim dip switch, as you can see there. So it's those three connectors there. Nothing complicated about it. Just all pops together nice and easily. And it goes through like that. Screws back together again. Just like that. Oh, shiny. Lovely.